Welcome to the Kingston's Kitchen and Bath Installation Guide. In this video, we'll be going over the process of installing the shower system. The tools that you will need for this project are adjustable wrench, power driver, Phillips head screwdriver, and Teflon tape. Apply Teflon tape to the thread of the SharkBite adapters. Thread the 3 SharkBite adapters into the inlets and top outlet of the valve. Apply mounting bracket onto the back of the valve. Pass screws through the sleeve, then secure mounting bracket onto the valve. Secure the valve to wood bracing, making sure to allow 2 5/8 from the back of the shower valve plate and the front of the plastic mud plate pre-installed on the valve. Insert Pex tubing all the way into SharkBite fitting. Hand tighten until snug into below port of valve and use adjustable wrench. 2 to 3 turns or until fitting no longer turns. Using hand drill, screw SharkBite fitting into wood support. Insert Pex tubing all the way into SharkBite fitting. Thread the SharkBite adapters into the inlets and top outlet of the valve. Proceed with connecting fittings are shown. Insert Pex tubing all the way into SharkBite fitting. Thread the SharkBite adapters into the bottom outlet of the valve. Insert Pex tubing all the way into SharkBite fitting. Using hand drill, screw SharkBite fitting into wood support. Insert Pex tubing all the way into SharkBite fitting. Slip the face plate over the shower valve. Secure by threading the 2 enclosed screws. Insert handle onto the shower stem. Using a Phillips head screw to secure handle. Press cover button in place. Insert diverter face plate and press into place until it is in contact with the wall. Insert handle onto the diverter stem. Using a Phillips head screw, secure handle. Press cover button in place. After inserting the shower arm flange and applying Teflon tape on both ends of the shower arm, thread onto the shower arm elbow. Thread shower head to shower arm. Thread wall elbow onto the hand shower stub out. Insert washer into the hose fitting and thread onto the wall elbow. At last, thread hose fitting onto the hand shower. Thank you for watching this installation guide for the Kingston brass shower system. Remember to always follow your local plumbing codes for a safe and proper installation.